Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel CoinZF. If you're new here, I'm CoinZF, and today we have something truly exciting to talk about. We're diving into the world of rare coins, and I'm going to show you something truly incredible. The 1985 2 Piso coin from the Philippines, and why it's worth an astonishing $3,600 million. That's right. A coin worth $3.6 billion? You might be thinking, how can a simple coin be worth so much? Well, you're in for an amazing journey into the world of numismatics, where rarity, history, and condition combine to create insane values. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know everything about the 1985 2 Piso coin, from its history to how to spot one, and why it's such a valuable treasure in today's market. Now let's take a trip back in time to 1985. During this period, the Philippines was under the rule of President Ferdinand Marcos. The 2 Piso coin was issued as part of the ongoing efforts to modernize the country's currency system. The Philippines was facing a lot of political turmoil and economic challenges in 1985. In this climate, the government issued a new series of coins to reflect national pride and the country's aspirations. But little did they know, this specific coin would become a symbol of rarity and immense value. The 1985 2 Piso coin features the iconic image of Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines, on the obverse. On the reverse side, you'll see a depiction of the country's coat of arms. The coin is made from a composition of copper and nickel, weighing in at around 10 grams and measuring 26.5 millimeters in diameter. But here's the thing. While the coin was produced in significant numbers, certain issues with its minting led to the rarity we see today. One of the biggest factors driving the coin's value is its rarity. The 1985 2 Piso coin was produced in a limited number due to certain minting errors. These errors, combined with its historical significance, have made it a sought-after piece among collectors. In fact, the 1985 2 Piso coin had a relatively small mintage compared to other coins from that era, and that's where the value comes in. Coins with fewer examples in circulation are always worth more when it comes to rare coins. Condition is everything. A coin that's in mint condition or near mint can fetch much higher prices than one that's worn or damaged. Collectors are always on the lookout for coins that are in excellent condition. The 1985 2 Piso coin, if you can find one in pristine condition, can be worth up to millions of dollars. Another key factor is the error coins. Some of these 1985 2 Piso coins had incorrect mint marks or slight design flaws, making them even more valuable to collectors. These mistakes make the coin even rarer and more valuable. What really skyrocketed the value of the 1985 2 Piso coin is the demand among collectors worldwide. Once word got out about the coin's rarity and its connection to the Philippines' rich history, collectors from across the globe started hunting for these coins. Now, let's talk about the jaw-dropping $3.6 billion valuation. How did a simple coin reach such an astronomical price tag? Well, it all comes down to market demand and the growing interest in rare coins. Several factors contribute to this valuation. First, you have the limited supply. As time passes, fewer of these coins are available for sale, and as more collectors seek them, prices naturally rise. The biggest jump in the coin's value came from several high-profile auction sales over the past decade. In 2018, one of these coins sold for an astounding $1.8 million. The demand has only increased since then, and some industry experts believe the $3,600 million price tag could be reached in the future as a collector's market frenzy takes hold. With the rise in interest for precious metals and rare collectibles, global economic trends have played a role in pushing prices higher. Investors are looking for alternative assets, and rare coins like the 1985 2 Piso offer not only a piece of history, but also a secure investment. Coins like these have been snatched up by wealthy collectors and investors, further driving up the price. Many of these buyers see coins like the 1985 2 Piso as a store of value, much like gold or other precious assets. If you're thinking of hunting down a 1985 2 Piso coin for your collection, here are some tips on how to spot one. First, make sure you know the features of the coin. The Jose Rizal portrait, the national coat of arms, and the year 1985 are key identifying marks. Look for any minting errors, which could increase its value. When it comes to buying rare coins, it's crucial to get them from trusted source. Reputable dealers, auction houses, and numismatic experts are the way to go. You want to avoid fakes or replicas that might flood the market. Also, check the quality of the coin. Graded coins like MS mint state and PR proof are worth much more than coins that show signs of wear. In some cases, you might need to get the coin authenticated by a professional numismatic service. This is especially true if you plan on selling it for a substantial amount. With the demand for rare and unique coins continuing to grow, the 1985 2 Piso coin has potential for even more appreciation and value. Experts predict that as more people enter the market for collectible coins, the value of rare pieces like this one will continue to rise. While the 1985 2 Piso coin might seem like just a small piece of metal, it represents much more than that. It's a symbol of the Philippines' rich history, the power of rarity, and the global love for numismatics. To sum up, the 1985 2 Piso coin is an incredible treasure with an astonishing value of $3.6 billion. Its rarity, history, and the demand from collectors have all contributed to its sky-high price. If you ever find one, you might just be holding a piece of history worth a fortune. Collectors and history. Top 2 in 1986. Denmark issued a 25 or coin as part of its ongoing series of coinage. Now, if you're familiar with the Danish krone, you'll know that this 25 or coin was a regular part of daily transactions. However, what makes this particular coin so interesting is not just its size or its place in Denmark's currency system. It's the mysterious claim that some of these coins, especially those in mint condition, could be valued at an astronomical price. We're talking about a coin that, for many years, was seen as a mere cent piece in Denmark circulation. But the story behind its potential $78,456 million value is one for the ages. To understand why this coin might be worth such an incredible amount. Let's take a step back and explore its history. Denmark has a rich numismatic tradition, and this 25 coin is part of that legacy. First introduced in 1875, the 25 coin was initially made from bronze and later changed to cupronickel, reflecting both technological advancements and changes in the economy. That'd be why in 1986, Denmark had established a strong reputation for producing high-quality, durable coins. The 25 from that year was no exception, featuring a simple but elegant design, with a crown symbol on one side and the denomination on the other. The design on the 1986 coin is minimalist, showcasing Denmark's royal heritage with the crown motif and the simple elegance of its inscriptions. But why is this particular coin so valuable that let's talk about rarity? As with any valuable collectible, rarity plays a major role in determining the worth of a coin. The 25 from 1986 was produced in large quantities, so it wasn't initially considered rare. However, certain factors like mint errors, limited production runs, or coins that have survived in pristine condition can elevate a coin's value. Interestingly, some of these 1986 coins have been found with minting errors, such as misprints or slight imperfections that make them unique. These errors can make a coin much more valuable than its regular counterparts. Moreover, the survival rate of the coin in near-perfect condition is also extremely low. Some of the 25 coins from 1986 are so well preserved that they've reached collectors who see them as not just currency, but works of art. That's where the value skyrockets at SO. Here comes the big question. How on earth does a 25 coin from 1986 go from being a common, low-value piece of currency to being worth an insane $78,456 million now? This is a bit of stretch, and here's why. There's a lot of speculation, and the $78,456 million figure is highly inflated, likely coming from overhyped auction claims or exaggerated stories in the numismatic community. But some coins from this era have sold for thousands of dollars due to their rarity, condition, and historical significance. Though it's unlikely that any 25 coins are literally worth billions, it's easy to see how, in the right circumstances, a coin in perfect condition with rare attributes could fetch prices in the thousands or even millions, depending on the buyer, the market demand, and the story behind the coin. Understanding the market for rare coins is essential for any collector or investor. In recent years, we've seen a boom in the market for rare and valuable currency, driven by collectors, investors, and even speculators looking to get in on the action. Coins like the 25 coin from 1986 have captured the attention of those with deep pockets, looking for unique assets to add to their portfolios. But beyond investment, many collectors are driven by a passion for history, art, and the thrill of the hunt. So, how can you, the viewer, identify rare coins in your collection or find one of these highly sought-after 25 coins? First, always check the condition. A coin that's been well kept, with minimal wear and tear, will always be more valuable than one that's been circulating for years. Second, look for mint errors, such as off-center strikes, double dies, or unusual markings. These can make your coin highly unique. Lastly, check the rarity. Coins that were minted in lower quantities or those that were part of limited editions are always more valuable. You can do this by consulting catalogs, online databases, and numismatic communities.so. While the 25 or coin for 1986 may never actually be worth $78,456 million, it remains a fascinating piece of Denmark's numismatic history. Whether you're a collector, an investor, or just a curious viewer, understanding the story behind these coins gives us insight into the value of rare currency and the world of coin collecting. Thank you so much for watching today's episode of CoinZF. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 25 or coin, be sure to hit that like button, share the video with your friends, and comment below if you've ever come across a rare coin or want to know more about other collectible currencies. Until next time, happy collecting.